Yo, what's going on? It's your boy BZ. Welcome back to the channel. And today I was gonna talk about something completely different, but I got a comment on one of the videos that I made recently about OTC trading and why you probably should stay away from trading it. And that comment will be here. And as you can see, this person said both OTC and non-OTC are rigged. You can open any different site that tracks prices, and you can see there's a difference between prices of the assets, whether it's Euro USD. If you were to open Euro USD on TradingView and you were to open it on Pocket Option, that you would obviously see a difference, which means that the company is manipulating the price. And that's what gave me the idea for this video. And I'm just like, does Pocket Option really manipulate price? Or is this something that you guys aren't really paying much attention to? So that's exactly what we're going to be looking at today. We're going to answer two questions. Does Pocket Option manipulate the prices? How do they get their price quotes? And how can you use the information that you get from this video to make better trades? So without further ado, let's get right into it. First off, let's quickly explain what Pocket Option is. Pocket Option is an online trading platform that allows users to trade various financial instruments. They offer one of the best, in my opinion, user-friendly interface and a variety of trading options. You could trade your commodities, you could trade stocks, but most of them are OTC. The only things that are real market are your currency pairs. But the big question is, how do they determine their price? So to understand this, we need to look at their procedure for trading operation execution, and we're going to break it down real quick for you. Trading operation on Pocket Option includes buying and selling trade contracts. This operation is executed through a platform called the trading terminal provided by Pocket Option. All trades are processed by Pocket Option servers, and they provide quotes for trading. But how do they calculate these quotes? Because when you're looking at TradingView and another different platform, whether it's Pocket Option, as in our example right here, you will see that there's a little bit of a difference. But there is a reason why, and it'll show you. It's because of a formula that they use. The formula should be on the screen here somewhere. And as you can see in this formula, we've got P lost equals to P bid plus P ask minus P bid divided by 2. So Pocket Option uses a formula to determine the price for executing trades. It's called the Midpoint formula, the Midpoint price formula to be precise. And here's what that means. P lost is the execution price, which is the price that you see on Pocket Option that goes up and down. P bid is the bid of the price. If you're used to trade in Forex markets, you already know what ask and bid price is. So this should be fairly easy to understand. P ask in this situation is, as I said earlier, the ask price. So the prices are provided by liquidity providers, as they are for many different platforms. The formula takes the average of two prices given a balanced execution price. So instead of you worrying about your bid and ask price for you to enter into a trade, Pocket Option cuts away all of that unnecessary information and gives you an average price. So that's why when you go on Pocket Option, you see that the price is a little bit different, because it isn't giving you the ask and the bid price, but it's giving you the average price, the midpoint price. I hope that you guys kind of understand what that is like. And this isn't a very difficult information to find. Honestly, I guess that many people don't usually read the terms and conditions when they use any of any sites, but it's very important, especially if you're going to be spending your money on a site. And I feel like that's also a reflection on myself, because I thought everyone knew this, especially with binary options trading. This is available information, but when I thought about making this video and answering the comment, I understood that there isn't any videos at all from any Pocket Option, from any YouTube trader who trades on Pocket Option talking about it at all. There's absolutely no information. And I thought that this was something that everyone knew. So You guys can always put this into mind when you're going into a trade. Why does Pocket Option use this formula? Why don't they just stick to the thing that works for Forex trading? Well, it's a number of reasons I could come up from the top of my head, as well as reasons that make it easier. First of all, and the most important thing, is that it simplifies your trade. By providing a single price reference, you don't have to think about bid and ask as I talked before. But it also offers fair pricing, as the midpoint price balance what buyers and sellers want, which allows you to reduce the impact of bid and ask spread, potentially lowering the trading cost. And lastly, it's transparent. The calculation is straightforward and easy to understand. It's something that you could do yourself. You could go on TradingView, take the P bid and P ask, use the formula, and you can, get the exact same price as you do on Pocket Option. So another question that I think that many of you might be asking, why don't other platforms use this? Well, every platform has different approaches, and this is the approach that Pocket Option has. And the company it's not like they buried this information deep down in some in a box and just locked it up and threw it in the ocean and hope that people never find it. It's literally, I think, it's 4.7 on their terms and condition, if I remember correctly. And so it's like a couple of rids down and you definitely find this information. So how can you use this information to your advantage on Pocket Option? Understanding the midpoint price formula can help you improve trade execution, manage your costs, and simplify your strategy development. It opens up opportunity for arbitrage, which is probably the most things that most people are doing when it comes to Pocket Option, and it enhances your risk management. The fact that if you're doing, the big difference is when you're doing Forex, you could easily go into minus $150 and you put your stop loss and you end up losing even more than your trade and the amount you entered in the first place. But once you're doing Pocket Option and you're doing binary options trading, you're losing only the amount you get, but you also don't get that 100% back as you would if you were trading Forex. But everything is priced in, and that's why you get the highest point at 92%, as we talked about when we were talking about OTC before. So definitely this is something that you should all put in mind when you're trading. I thought that this information was really available for everyone. I thought everyone knew, and when that comment came true, it really hit me that there's nobody who's really talking about this, and they should be. And because this is an important part, especially if you're new to trading and you're just diving in, a lot of people go in head first, and the first thing that comes to their mind is they never say the broker is a scam when they're making money. They say it's a scam when they're losing money. And everyone, I've been there, I've done that. Like, every broker feels that way. Every Forex broker, every options broker, people will tell you nobody wants the institutional traders do not want the retail traders to make it, and so they're driving the prices. It's everyone comes up with an excuse, but I don't like to come up with an excuse like that. So if you want to know why the price is a little different when you're looking at TradingView and Pocket Option, this is the reason why. Because in Pocket Option, you get the average price. So I hope that you guys are able to understand, and I hope this information helps you to become a better trader and understand, especially if you're on Pocket Option. But thank you guys for joining me for another video. It's been your boy Busy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. And if you enjoyed this video, if you take anything away from it, please support your boy. Join the Telegram channel. We're having fun and a lot of information, as well as you get to see me trade live as well. So definitely check it out. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.